Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore the meaning and commentary of the 16th to 20th names among the 1000 names in the Sri Lalita Sahasranama Stotra. The 16th divine name of Sri Lalita, Mukhachandra Kalankaba Mruganabhi Visheshaka, describes the divine beauty of the Mother Goddess adorned with a Kasturi Tilaka on her forehead. This tilaka, a fragrant mark made from a special paste, is likened to the dark spots seen on the moon. Just as the spot on the moon adds to its mystic and allure, the Kasturi Tilaka enhances the beauty of her radiant face. This mark is not merely an ornament but a symbol of her divine presence, adding a special charm to her already luminous countenance. The Sri Shakti Mahima is one of its verses, speaks of meditating upon her face, drawing the devotee's attention to the sacredness and grace that her tilaka represents. This comparison to the moon underscores her serene and captivating beauty, which is both enchanting and spiritually profound. The 17th divine name of Sri Lalita, Vadanasmara Mangalya Gruhatorana Chillika, beautifully illustrates the divine allure of the Mother Goddess's face. Her face is compared to the grand palace of Manmata, the god of love, while her eyebrows are likened to the decorative festoons that adorn the entrance of his palace. The word Chillika refers to these gracefully arched eyebrows. It is believed that Manmata, captivated by the beauty of Lalitambika, modeled his own auspicious palace after her radiant face. This poetic comparison highlights the extraordinary charm and perfection of her features, suggesting that even the god of love finds inspiration in her divine form. The imagery evokes a sense of reverence and admiration for the goddess, whose beauty is so profound that it serves as a model for the very embodiment of love and desire. Through the description, we are reminded of the magnetic and divine presence of Lalitambika, whose face radiates grace and love. The 18th divine name of Sri Lalita, Vaktralakshmi Parivaha Chalan Meenabalochana, paints a vivid picture of the goddess's captivating eyes. Her face is compared to a serene pond, with her eyes resembling graceful fishes moving within it. Just as fishes move swiftly through water, her eyes dart quickly, ever watchful, as she lovingly bestows her grace upon the entire universe. This comparison carries deep meaning. In nature, it is said that fish eggs are brought to life by the mere glance of the mother fish. Similarly, the goddess, with just a single glance, nourishes and sustains all of creation, infusing it with vitality and life. Her eyes are so beautifully expressive and powerful that she is also lovingly called Meenakshi and Meenalokani, names that emphasize the enchanting and life-giving nature of her gaze. Through this imagery, we are reminded of the boundless compassion and care that Lalitambika extends to the world, all through the divine grace of her glance. The 19th divine name of Sri Lalita, Navachampaka Pushpaba Nasa Danda Virachita, describes the delicate beauty of the goddess's nose, which is compared to a freshly bloomed champaka flower. This imagery highlights the grace and charm of her features, as the champaka flower is known for its soft, alluring beauty. The comparison suggests that just as a new flower radiates freshness and elegance, so too does her nose add to the overall radiance of her divine form. This description reminds us of the exquisite and harmonious beauty that characterizes the Mother Goddess. The 20th divine name of Sri Lalita, Tara Kanti Tiraskari Nasa Bharana Basura, highlights the brilliance of the goddess's nose stud, which is said to outshine the stars. This radiant ornament, made of rubies and pearls, is so luminous that it eclipses the light of the stars themselves. The word Tara refers to stars, but it also alludes to two goddesses, Mangala and Shukla, who are later associated with the planets Mars and Venus. Each of these planets is linked to specific gemstones. Mars is associated with the red ruby and Venus with the diamond. Thus, her nose stud adorned with these precious stones symbolizes the influence of these celestial bodies. The presence of these planetary symbols on her nose stud suggests that worshipping the goddess can protect devotees from the adverse effects of planetary influences. Through this description, we are reminded of the divine power and grace embodied by Lalitambika, whose beauty and radiance are not only mesmerizing but also offer protection and blessings to those who revere her. The meanings and commentaries of other names from the 1000 names in the Sri Lalita Sahasranama Stotra are also available as separate videos on this channel, organized under the playlist titled Sri Lalita Sahasranama Stotra Explained. We encourage you to watch all of those videos as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends and relatives. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all the best and eagerly look forward to meeting you in other videos. Goodbye and Namaste.